and now it's matching with my original wood grain interior, bro, like it's supposed to be. Now this video, we're gonna replace the pillar trim. Y'all see it's broken. Y'all remember it's been broken ever since I changed my headliner, and I finally found one, you know what I'm saying? I wish I would have got both of them, but this side is actually in perfect condition, so I don't need to replace that side. Only side I need to replace is this side, you know what I'm saying? So this should be fairly easy to do, man. It's fairly quick. Broken pillar trim. Y'all can't really see, but y'all see it now. No more broken pillar trim, man. No more broken, missing pillar trim, bro. Got that all done, and it looks fantastic, bro. Looks a lot better than having this broken one in here. And like I said, I'm finna throw this away because they don't need me keeping this. Like I said, it ain't no good no more. Look at that. Broken, and it look brown. Smoke faded badly. Looks pretty brown. That's why I said I wish I would've got both of these, because both of these, this one looks very, very blue. Look at that. Looks very blue. And this one looks brown. Like, what the freak? What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, if y'all didn't check out the last video, bro, go check it out. I went ahead and finally replaced my cluster cover, and now it's matching with my original wood grain interior, bro, like it's supposed to be. Now this video, we're gonna replace the pillar trim. Y'all see it's broken. Y'all remember it's been broken ever since I changed my headliner, and I finally found one, you know what I'm saying? I wish I would have got both of them, but this side is actually in perfect condition, so I don't need to replace that side. Only side I need to replace is this side, you know what I'm saying? So this should be fairly easy to do, man. It's fairly quick. I was gonna do 2 videos in one, but I need all the content I can get, you know what I'm saying? I'm not making nothing from posting these videos. I'm basically just giving y'all content, so what's the point of combining them, you know what I'm saying? Why not keep them all separate, you know what I'm saying? I can break up all the videos like I need to. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this. I've unboxed this for y'all, showed it to y'all and all that good stuff, so like I said, now we just finna install it. So these are really the last 2 interior trim pieces I need to install. This piece and then my door panel piece, and then I'm gonna work on the radio, removing this radio, putting my new one in, and then boxing this one up, because like I said, I sold this one. This radio right here, I've sold it, so it has to go to my uncle. Yeah, so I need to get it out because it's not mine anymore. I don't own it. So yeah, that's the plan, man. Finish these last 2 interior pieces up, put my new radio in, and then figure out whatever else I want to do before it's time for me to have to go back home, or before it gets dark, I should say. But yeah, man, like I said, this pillar piece, if y'all don't remember, I ended up changing my headliner maybe last year, maybe year before last, bro. It's been a minute, man. You know what I'm saying? My headliner is still holding up perfect, bro. It's fantastic. So I ended up replacing the headliner, and I replaced them side pieces back there as well with the headliner material. And like I said, I wrapped the headliner on video. Y'all just gotta, if y'all want to see that video, click on my channel, click on playlist, then scroll down to the box Chevy build, and then scroll down. You just gotta find the video somewhere in that playlist, you know what I'm saying? And then y'all be able to find the video when I replaced the headliner. But then in that video, y'all would see that my pillar arm, it was already broken and very brittle. And when I was taking out the screws, I think I cracked it. Maybe when I was putting the screws back in, I cracked it even more, and it broke it even more. But like I said, it was very, very brittle. So this time, I'm gonna make sure I'm very, very careful while taking this piece, or putting this new piece on, because I do not want to break this new piece, because this was literally, it took me months to find this piece. I've been searching for a while for this piece. Before I had bought it, I was searching for a while, and ended up finding it, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get this now, so when the car comes back home, I can already have it, and all I have to do is install it, you know what I'm saying? I was letting it fly out. All I have to do is install it, put it in, and that'll be it, man. Call it a day. So yeah, that's what we finna do in this video, man. We finna go ahead and put that pillar arm on and replace this broken and brittle one. Get that one up out of here, because like I said, ain't no need of me having a broken one in here when I have a new one, or new to me anyways, you know what I'm saying? And it's the right blue, it's the matching color, and it's the right piece, you know what I'm saying? It's for the right side, the passenger side. If y'all don't believe me, well, y'all can kind of see it. It says right hand. It says right hand, you know what I'm saying? So this is for surely the right piece. It's the right one, and like I said, all I gotta do now is install it. It's literally just 2 screws. This is gonna be a very quick video, I'm sorry, but yeah, I wanted to break it up, man. Ain't no need of me combining all these videos when I need the content, man. Try to get as many videos out of this stuff as possible, since I'm already not making nothing. Try to get as much videos out of this stuff as possible, bro. You feel what I'm saying? But other than that, hope y'all enjoy. Like I told y'all, man, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on to where y'all get notified as soon as I drop. Share the channel, share the video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Tell your family and friends, come subscribe to the channel, man. If you want to, screen record the videos, post them on different social medias. If you don't want to do that, like I said, man, just screen record the video, or just click the share button and share the channel and the video any and everywhere to each and every platform to try and help me grow. That's it, man. I'm doing as much as I can to try and grow, so I need y'all help, man. I can't do it alone. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, though. Like I said, man, we finna get right into it. Like I said, it should be very quick and simple and very easy to do. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it and finish this on up. All right, y'all. Actually, I want to show y'all first. Like I said, this is just 2 screws to get this off. 1 screw up here, 1 screw down there. Then this piece should slide on out. Like I said, it's already broken and brittle, so I'm just gonna throw it away. Ain't no need to trying to keep this piece because I'm not ever gonna reuse it. You know what I'm saying? If I need another piece, then I'll try to just order another one. But ain't no need of me trying to keep this piece, bro. Look at it. It's literally broken. It's falling apart. Look at that piece. It's ready to just come on out, bro. So ain't no need of me trying to break it no further, though. But headliner wise, headliner is holding up very good. The only piece I need to replace is gonna be these. I was gonna try to rewrap them myself, these sun visors, but yeah, I'm not gonna try and do that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how to sew, so I'm not even finna try and waste my time trying to do that. But let's get right into this, bro. I'm sorry for shaking real quick. Need to sit y'all up. Turn y'all right there. That should be good. My bad, y'all. I'm checking my phone real quick. Got a few phone calls. Turn my ringer off so I don't get copyrighted from my ringtone. And let's get these screws out. Well, the piece is still just falling apart. Alright, 1 screw out. Get this second one off. And this pillar trim should come right on out. Oh yeah. Come on out of there. There we go. Alright, I need to pull my TikTok video back up. 1 second, y'all. One second. Alright, pull that up. Alright, that's ready to go. Go ahead and pull this off. Just like that. And like I said, this piece is pretty much trashed. I don't need this piece no more. Solely because it's broken. So, as y'all can see, it's broken here. It's broken down here. This piece is just very, very brittle. You know what I'm saying? I'm guessing it's just from some flies sitting right there. These flies are so bad over here at this house, bro, and it's really frustrating. Flies is very, very bad at this house. But I did tell y'all I do want to replace these dash speakers. They just some generic speakers my dad had gave me when I first started working on his car. And y'all know I got 2 boxes of the Scar 5.25 speakers. I put 1 box in the rear deck. The other one I'm gonna go ahead and put in the dash, and that way every single speaker in this car will be Scar. Rear deck, dash speakers, my tweeter I'm gonna put on this door, which I gotta run the wire and stuff, which I don't know how I'm gonna do. Cause ain't no little rubber piece that goes from the body to the door, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it without making that wire crinkle and crunch up and all that good stuff. But I guess I'll figure it out on another day. I don't feel like doing it today. Let's go ahead and get this pillar on. This piece needs to drop just a little bit. All right, get that down. Put this pillar on. Yeah, it's supposed to go outside that piece. I see. It's another screw out here that I need to get off. Didn't notice it because it was broken. See? Another little broken piece, bro. Another broken piece. Alright. Put that screw on when I get this on. Just like that. Slide that back up. Perfect. Almost perfect. There we go. Click on there. Perfect. Put these 3 screws back in. Alright, got one in. Oh shoot. Just need to go down a little bit or something, because I can't see the hole. I need to be careful to where I don't break this though. Alright, there we go. And make sure I don't tighten it too much so I don't break it. Now these pieces should not ever have to come back off, because I shouldn't have to replace my headliner no time soon. There we go. Tighten that screw down to you. Like I said, not tighten it too much because I don't want to crack it. Perfect. Perfect. Trim on nicely and done. No more broken pillar trim on this side, no broken pillar trim on that side. We are now back in business and rolling. I don't think it's nothing else. Oop, be careful. I heard something try to crack. Alright, that should be good, man. All my trim back on. I have no broken trims. No more. Everything is good, man. It looks good, man. Looking good. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Got that all done. Took about 7 minutes. Not too bad. Not too shabby. It really wasn't 7 minutes. Probably like 6 minutes because I was talking during the first minute, showing y'all what it looks like. But yeah, this is what we rocking with now, man. No more broken pillar trim. Y'all can't really see, but y'all see it now. No more broken pillar trim, man. No more broken missing pillar trim, bro. Got that all done and it looks fantastic, bro. Looks a lot better than having this broken one in here. And like I said, I'm finna throw this away because they don't need me keeping this. Like I said, it ain't no good no more. Look at that. Broken, and it look brown. Smoke faded badly. Looks pretty brown. That's why I said I wish I would've got both of these, because both of these, this one looks very, very blue. Look at that. It looks very blue. And this one looks brown. Like, what the freak? It's from the sun damage though. Or maybe it's actually brown because this backside is pretty brown too. Maybe somebody replaced it, but here go another color. I don't know, but the back is brown. I don't know. Don't bother me, man. It's not in here no more, so I don't care. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. New pillar arm is put in and there's no more broken. So other than that, man, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, so just like that, man, like I said, got that all done, bro. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it. And like I said, the small stuff, man, it's the really small details that really matter. And I'm moving forward, you know what I'm saying, getting everything done. I want to go ahead and put on my rear view mirror. I don't know, I might wait till tomorrow. Save that for tomorrow, man. Give me something to do for tomorrow. But I hope y'all enjoyed, bro. Hope y'all like the new pillar put in. And like I said, we slowly getting everything together, man. This side is good. Y'all already knew that. And now that side is fantastic. No more broken pillar, no more hanging down, bro. And like I said, I'm just getting the interior together now. So I worked on the outside for a little bit, made 2 videos outside of the car showing y'all the outside of the car. And now just getting the inside together, man, slowly but surely. So y'all stay tuned. Next video we're gonna go ahead and do this door panel, then I'm gonna work on my radio, and then figure out what else I want to do for the day, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, just keep slowly moving and slowly getting stuff together, bro. Other than that, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Comment down below, you leave y'all opinions, let me know what y'all think. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, you know what I'm saying? If you are new, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, bro. It's free, don't cost somebody nothing. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm trying to become a content creator, man, so I can keep doing this full time and it won't just be like me missing days, you know what I'm saying? I'll be able to upload as much as I want to, as much as I can, and like I said, get paid for it, because at the moment I'm not making nothing from this. I'm spending all this money and recording these videos basically just for fun at this moment, you know? And I want to make this a full-time job. I want to become a full-time content creator, and like I told y'all before, I'm giving myself till I'm fully finished with school to see if this works. If not, then I mean, y'all might see me at some car shows, y'all might not see me at no car shows. I probably won't vlog, you know what I'm saying, once I'm fully finished with school, and if it's not paying off, like I said, I won't vlog, I won't do any like builds on camera or anything. I'll still work on cars and build cars and all that stuff, because this is a very fun hobby for me. Like I said, it just won't be on camera. It'll be just like a little personal thing by myself, vibing to myself, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, still a lot still need to be done to this car, because, well, I'm pretty much getting a lot of stuff done today, you know what I'm saying? I'm already getting a lot of stuff done, but like I said, it's still a lot of stuff I want to do, a lot of stuff I want to get done, especially before it's time to mount the wheels on, and it's time to paint the car, you know what I'm saying? So slowly but surely it's gonna get there though. So I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.